Hello guys, welcome back to Creative Fox. Today, uh, I'm gonna share you how I started my channel. Uh, it all began in 2020. Actually, I never thought I would create a channel and I would come till here. And I'm making these videos because I hadn't put any video other than shorts from past many days. So it's been 6 years. I hadn't monetized it, so it should be get monetized. So I thought to make videos regarding the things that I made and I how I made this channel. Thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video.